Hi there, this is video number 9. If you've been following me, you've done the previous 8 videos in the video series How to Build Your Online Marketing Business System. And if you've got to this point, you're obviously a PT, an online or offline coach, or an offline gym owner, and you were just frustrated of the old school way of marketing your business, because I've been there before. I know the frustrations. It's not very measurable. It's not very effective, really, if you're doing word of mouth. Very strong word of mouth, don't get me wrong. But it is a very tough going type strategy because you can't measure it. Same goes for flyering and also joint ventures and posting morning, noon and nights like a Kardashian on social media, and you could be on about 4 different platforms doing that as well, and that's where you can lose a lot of your time in your day just trying to create all this new content. So this is what a business system is all about. It's an online marketing machine, as it were. It will give sanity back into your life and the confidence that you can grow your business as well at scale, and things really do get exciting and very interesting. So if you've been on this journey since video number 1, then awesome. Let me know where you're at and how you've been getting on, because with the aim of each video, you can take away all that you can, implement into your business and get the results. Anyway, if this sounds of interest to you and you want to stick around to find out exactly what is to be expected, I want to create your expectations, and I will include the expectations and what you can expect after this. Okay, welcome back, you driven business owner. This channel is all about learning how to generate high quality leads and clients into your business empire without all the tech overwhelm. We've got so much going on in our daily lives when it comes to clients, the paperwork, chasing up money, and there's learning systems as well, which ends up being the bottom of our list. So I'm here to make your life a lot easier. If you were to learn how to implement a business machine, a business system, a marketing machine, as it were, into your business, then your days will get a lot more enjoyable again, and you can concentrate doing the things that you love, and that's getting your clients results, either with your online programs or your offline gym, whatever it is that you do. So yeah, great. If you want to join the contest I hold each week, for 3 subscribers, for those who like this video, for those who subscribe and also leave a comment, I offer a business bundle which includes a lead gen fix service along with a business survival kit. Also, 2 free trainings are involved in that business bundle, as well as a done for you funnel. I had to try and remember all that. So yeah, if you want to enjoy all of that, then subscribe, like and leave a comment. And at the end of this video, I'm just going to talk to you briefly about my 2-week free trial. Everything in these 30 videos I actually offer to do for you. I just ask you to front up a £200 Facebook spend, and at the end of our 2-week trial together, if you like the results I got for you and your business, we can have a normal conversation. I only work with clients that I get results for. That's what makes me feel comfortable, and I'm sure that's what you would want as well. So more to follow at the end of the video. Okay, so looking at this particular screenshot, I want to create realistic expectations. So this is what you can expect if you were to follow every single video in this series. You can expect a minimum of 3 to 5 return on your ad spend. I always suggest at least £200 with the trial that we do together, but you can obviously invest as much as that you want. As long as you know what you're doing when it comes to creating Facebook ads and building this machine, then you can invest as much money to Facebook if you know your numbers and you know how much return on investment you can get. Because you're not necessarily spending your money when it comes to Facebook advertising. If you know what you're doing, it's actually a awesome cash machine that you're generating, because the money that you put in, you're going to get out at the back end, and sometimes you can make money on the front end as well. So again, more to follow in future videos, and I've already touched up on that slightly in previous videos as well. But if you were to get things right in this video series, you can consistently generate up between 20 and 40 clients each and every month. Again, it is a process. If you optimize all your pages within the business system, then you can enjoy the luxury of receiving consistently every single month between 20 and 40 clients. But let's just say you are looking at 20 clients in the next 30 days. That is a realistic expectation. And let's also say that they're like £197 that you're offering your program for. That's in the region of £4,000. And I have set in another video, which I'll link here in this video series, that if you were to work towards a £5,000 target using these 30-day videos, and if you were also to try and get a client a day as a minimum over Monday to Friday, so it works out as 5 clients a day at £197 for your 4 to 6 week program. That's how you can reach your target of £5,000 or euros or US dollars per month. Again, you can ping back to those other videos if I'm not making too much sense right now, but £197 to £500 is the sweet spot. But I always recommend my clients to aim for £197. Why? Because people can find that sort of money, and especially if you are offering an amazing offer. So don't be too scared at the fact that £197 is a lot, because it really isn't. And if you were to get your machine working well, your online business system, then it's really easy to close those sales, and it makes your business more enjoyable again, because I'm sure if you've been chasing your tail up until now, you are looking forward to a better way of running your business. So these are the realistic expectations that I wanted to address. Hopefully what you see and read right now, it makes you excited, it makes you even more motivated to watch the next video, because we're going to get into the juicy parts very soon when it comes to creating these pages and optimizing each page to generate that lead. And also we'll be looking into Facebook advertising. So all good stuff. About that 2-week free trial. So yes, I offer 2-week free trial. You front up £200 worth of spend. I get the results for you. If you're happy with the results and I'm happy as well, we can then have a full conversation working together. I just want you to get those leads into your business so you can have that confidence moving forward, and you can weather any storm that might brew in the future. We're at the time of recording, it's September 2020, the year of the global pandemic. It's been tough for our industry. However, we are, we want to stay around. We want to keep the gyms open. We want people to maintain their weight, lose their weight, increase their body mass, whatever it is that you're doing. And here's to the future for the health and fitness industry. If you want to join my free Quality Client Generation Facebook group, then you can. The link is below. It's where I answer all the asked questions. I don't tend to answer them in YouTube as such, but you feel free to ping along to the Facebook group there. And if you want to find my free online courses, I have paid online courses as well as free trainings and all other awesome stuff. Find the link in the description box below, and you can also catch me at jenlillian.com. Your business, I'm a big believer of, is an extension of you. If you need any help with your inner game when it comes to mindset and how you perceive your business, if you've got any issues around money, I also do mindset type trainings as well, so feel free to browse my YouTube channel. Anyway, awesome stuff. I will see you in the next video, video number 10 of 30.